It's going to be the cutest thing. Charlie heard this ice cream truck from all the way upstairs in her bedroom and made Andy chase it down, and it took him like 10 minutes before it finally drove by our street. She's so happy. Way to go, Dad. You caught it?
Yep.
Charlie, good hearing. That was good ears.
And look what I got.
What is that?
SpongeBob.
Alright. Did you tell Dad thank you?
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Good ears, Dad.
That was Charlie.
Way to go. Yeah, but you tracked her down, Dad. Did you tell that guy to keep coming this direction and you'd get a lot of business?
Yummy. Yummy.
Are you going to sleep better tonight?
Yep.
Let's see that thing one more time. Delicious.
Looks like